In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to add a moderator on your TikTok live. So guys, not waste much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So as you can see on the screen, this is the home page on my TikTok live app. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus icon there. You can go ahead and click on the plus button in order for you to be able to add a moderator to your TikTok live. So right here, you need to scroll and click on live. You can see that option at the bottom of the screen. When you do that, you're going to see the gear icon right here on the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You don't necessarily need to go live before adding or removing a moderator on your TikTok live. So looking here, you can see the first option here which says moderators. You can go ahead and click on moderators just like this. So right here, you can see the already existing moderators I already have on my TikTok live. In order for you to actually add yours, you need to click on the plus button. You can see the profile icon with a plus button on it right here on the screen. Go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, you need to add a moderator by clicking on add, or you can actually search for anybody's account of your choice. You can actually add any of your friends. Let's take for instance, I want to add this user here which her name is actually Purity Smile. I'm going to click on add just like this. So once you click on that, you're going to actually select what you want this moderator to be able to manage. If you want this moderator to be able to do some adjustments on the comment section, the review filtered comments, if you want this moderator to be able to mute accounts, block accounts, set poll and give votes, pin comments, or even live record or send star comments, depending on what you actually want this moderator to be doing on your live, you can actually restrict some of these activities so that the moderator won't be able to do that if you don't want the moderator to do that on your live. So after adjusting those settings, you can go ahead and click on the confirm button at the bottom of the screen. So once you do that, going back right here, you can see that I've been able to add this moderator right here. So this is how simple it is to add a moderator on your TikTok live. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. This channel is really for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.